Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video on this USB sound card that I bought. This laptop didn't really have good sound when using the repeater software. Now, as you know with laptops, it's a nightmare to take it apart and try to order a new sound card to put in it and all this other stuff. But I did find a USB sound card that works really well. As you can see, I've tried another one. This one seems to work really good. It's like $4 free shipping if I remember right. I'll post a link in the description below. You just plug it in, then you just plug in your cables, your microphone, and your speaker out to your handheld, and this will turn the handheld into a simplex repeater, and it'll record and play back. Obviously, I got the frequency programmed to here to go through the repeater, but let's test it out once. Sounds pretty good, actually. Radio check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And the sound card that was in here, which I was using this cable as you saw in my other videos, that plugged into the headphone jack, just didn't, I don't know, it was kind of scratchy. It just didn't work real well. And like I said, I didn't want to buy a sound card and take this whole laptop apart. It's a cheap old laptop. So you can buy USB ones, you know, that look like that. What I mean by USB, they just plug into USB port. This one I didn't work as well, but this one seems to work pretty good. It's got volume button, mute button. Like I say, I'll post a link to the description. I did have to turn my volume all the way up on the computer. Now, maybe it's just because of the repeater software. I don't know. But I turned the volume up on the repeater, and I obviously got the volume up on my handset. I noticed, too, with the software, if you have your volume too low on here, the little record indicator, which is right here, does not turn red right away. And so if it's really low, it won't turn red at all, and it won't record. So make sure you turn your volume up on your handheld. But, yeah, it seems to work really well. Actually, it sounds a lot better than it did with the built-in sound card that was bad. And two, these jacks that you plug this in, they go bad after a while. They get wore out. So the fastest, best solution is buy a $3 sound card USB and plug it in. This will work on a desktop too, not just a laptop. So I don't know if it'll work on, you know, other like Apple or whatnot, but I do know it works on Windows, and this is Windows, I don't even know what this is, I think 10, 9 or something, I don't know. I just plugged it in and the sound thing worked right away, so again, I'll post a link down below. But anyway, I thought this would be a helpful video, so if people out there that are trying to get this software to work and are having problems with their built-in sound card, this is a cheap, easy solution, plug and play. Any questions or comments, post them down below. And please subscribe. Thank you.